Brought the Gladiator to the drive-in theaters. Hope you can hear me on here. So, drive-ins, you can bring your own food. And your dogs. Want to say hi to Jonah, or make Jonah say hi. So we got some hot dogs. I just stuck these in the microwave. And wrapped them full. I got some nacho cheese. And this pack right here, you put it in the microwave. It's like a heat pack. It keeps everything warm here. So hot dogs are warm when you get to the drive-ins. Also, too, these are pretty much must have. We got nachos and ice chest on the side. Or drinks. Come on, pop this. That's a good way to take your dog to the theater too. Right, Jonah? This dog has seen a lot of movies at the theater. How many movies do you think he's seen? One? Like 3. 3. Alright, they're the wieners. Wrapped in foil. So I just did them in the microwave. Rushed over here at the work on a Friday. And thinking about pulling up the top on the up there, the easy flip lids. That's good. We brought bagged popcorn too. Let me go take a video of that. Where's that? In the car? Look at that. You can get popcorn from Cinemark, see? At the grocery store. And Jonah gets a hot dog at the drive-ins too. A dog eating a hot dog in a drive-in movie. Wish I brought chairs, what do you think? Or something special, like an inflatable sofa or something. Here are the nachos, by the way. Half eaten. Nachos, everybody's eating nachos now. If you have a Gladiator, it's nice to be able to hook your dog up to that hook too while you're doing some movie starting. It's Godzilla, so we're gonna get him in now. Did you think the best up for tonight's show? Get that open. We're glad you came as you are. We got the 10 miles. Huh? Oh, hold on. Got one open. Okay, I get the other one in a minute if it's cool or so warm. I think I'm gonna need it open. Nice in here.
Visit our refreshment center now. The show starts in 10 minutes.
Intermission. They always show 2 movies on the weekends at least. There's like a popcorn bag. Do you have no popcorn? They usually have like little soda guys too walking around. Trying to go eat at the concession stand.
The show starts in 9 minutes.
Then they got some soda guys, like little cups of soda, dancing around. Some refreshing soft drinks. Visitor refreshing center. Texas. I think they have one more location. I think in Lubbock too. They got a playground over there, so you can't really see it behind that car.